Let's do the final question of this physics paper. This has to do with the velocity of efflux. This is a height capital H, and then here you have a hole in a bucket of water of height small h, and water is coming out and it goes like this. So we know what the velocity of efflux is. V is root of 2gh, right? And how much time will it take to fall here? The vertical velocity initially is 0, so h is equal to half gt squared, which means t is equal to root of 2 capital H by g, and this is the speed. So the horizontal distance covered will be vt, which is root 2gh into root 2 capital H by g, and g cancel, and we get root of 4h capital H, right? And the questions are given: lift is accelerating vertically up, accelerating vertically down. What is this value of d? It is root of 4hh, and the values of capital H and small h are given as, wait a second, the question is, when the lift is at rest, this is equal to d, 1.2. And then you keep it in motion, which means the gravity is changing. But we see that the final answer, Vt or d, does not depend on gravity. So it will be 1.2 in every case, except in the last case where it is falling freely. When it is falling freely, this won't even come out because this speed will be 0, right? And you can't say that this is 0 and this speed is 0, and so this whole term will cancel g and it will be this term, because there just won't be any water coming out, so there won't be any d, right? So no water leaks out in case S, which is 4, but in all the other three we'll have 1, which is d will be 1.2, because it does not depend on the gravity. As the gravity decreases, the speed decreases, but this distance increases, right? Because the time taken to fall increases. Sorry, the distance remains constant because time taken to fall increases. So the answer in this case will be 1, 1, 1 and 4, which is option C. This completes the physics portion of the 2014 JEE Advanced Paper 2. Thank you.